Section 7, Testing and Deployment. Getting started with unit testing. What are we going to learn in this video? Well, we're going to take a look and discuss Test Explorer, third-party applications, live unit testing, IntelliTest, code coverage, and Microsoft Fakes, or mock-up code. First thing we talk about is Test Explorer. The Test Explorer window helps developers create and manage when they're running unit tests. It's also built into the Microsoft Visual Studio's framework, and there are also other third parties. Third-party video studios are extensively an open door for you to get. Basically, you go in, upload most of these through the NuGet package manager, and you can pull in these other options. Or some of them are a paid service where you have to buy the software that is in addition to Visual Studios. Live unit testing automatically runs unit tests basically in the background while you're working on your project, and also helps you in developing code in the Visual Studio's code editor. Then there's IntelliTesting, which automatically generates unit tests and test data for the managed code that you're using. Now, this does not work with unmanaged code, but only with the managed code. Especially, you can also use it on code that is new or existing code that you would like to run it on at this point in time after you've already had it entered. Code coverage. Basically, this allows you to just pick portions of your program, parts of your code, to be able to test. And this is good, especially when you maybe have certain areas of your code you have bugs or certain problems, and you want to target the code that's in there. And then, of course, there's what is called Microsoft Fakes, or a lot of times in the past we've called it mock-up. Basically where you're building pieces of code, you're inserting information, but you're not actually going maybe to your database or to inputted code from another source. Basically, we are putting code in as if it was being received from the program.